All right, hi Becky, how are you?
Hello, I'm good.
And I heard you've been a long-time Q2ID, well, a long-time Markzware user actually.
Yes, many years, probably 10 to 15 years or more.
Now look at stuff change. Let me zoom in a little bit more here so it's easy.
The product Quark to InDesign has really helped me. Translating documents that were created in Quark into InDesign.
Right.
And the product has really helped, and customer support is awesome, and whenever I've needed help, they've been responsive within an hour.
Great.
So I love the product.
You would recommend it for other people considering Q2ID?
Yes, highly recommend it.
Right. And you used FlightCheck as well before?
I used to.
Yeah.
And that worked really great also.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much. What's the name of your company? What do you do?
Psychological Assessment Resources, and we publish psychological tests.
Wow. Excellent. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Take care.